Hi YouTubers, I'm Dan B, and in this video I would like to teach you how to create a Facebook account. There are two methods or ways of creating a Facebook account. Either you use your email address or you use your telephone number. So right now, open your web browser and then go to the Facebook web page. When the web page loads, tap on create new account. Input your name, that is your first name and then your last name. You also provide date of birth. Decide either to use your email account or to use your telephone number. Create your password. A message will be sent to you providing you with a code. Tap on confirm. You will then be provided with some tips. You are now good to go and your Facebook account has been created. You can socialize and chat with families and friends all over the world. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and drop your comments. Bye bye.